And I'm actually starting to smell some kind of like smokish. I'm worried. I'm really worried. You guys doing today? Starting another amazing day here on my room. Yeah, I feel like I should start somewhere else, a different intro. Enough about that. We're gonna get right into the video. As you guys read by the title, the GMC Acadia is broken. It's not something like the car is not drivable. You can still move the car around, but it's making a weird noise that it should not be making. We will be taking the GMC Acadia later on to the dealership, but as of right now, the Acadia is gonna stay like that. My mom can drive anytime. The Platinum, there's no problem with that. But my mom has some appointments. The Platinum does not fit because you have to go through really tight roads, and the Platinum is just way too big, and yeah. But let's get right into this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy the video. Alrighty, so I'm in the GMC Acadia right now. My baby brother's on the back. I'm here at Walmart, as you guys can see, and I'm hearing this sound. I hope that camera can catch it. And that only comes from the driver's side door, which is kind of worrying me because it started happening because I clicked the lock and the unlock button. So yeah, this is pretty weird. So you see, if I click the unlock button, it works on every single door except that one. You can hear that they're unlocking and opening, but that one doesn't work. Now if I do it on this side, lock doesn't work, unlock doesn't work, and you can even hear that it's not even making no sound, just this weird sound. Now if I cut on the car, it does it harder. Can you hear? I'm gonna cut off the car, and then I'm gonna cut electricity. That's how you cut electricity. I'm gonna open this door so I can cut everything off, and you still can hear it. And the radio's still on, and it shouldn't be on because I'm cutting power if I open the door. So that's really weird. In fact, this cannot be happening. This is basically my mom's daily driver. I mean, what can you expect with over 150,000 miles? It has been like 20 minutes later, and still that sound is on. But man, it's just so worrying. I mean, the thing is not even going off. Yeah, you can still hear it. Windows ain't working, but still the radar's on. Let's cut the car on again. I'm not gonna cut it on, like turn it on. I'm just gonna turn the key to at least have access to to have some power. Car ain't on. The car is not on. AC is just working just fine. Radio working just fine. Still, that sound is there, but it's just like really low. If I turn on the car, but first let's check if the window worked. The windows aren't working, and the power is on. So if I turn on the car, you can hear the sound goes harder. Windows still are not working. It doesn't even want to close the windows. What? You can hear that. So my guess is probably that piece panel right there, this piece panel right here, it's broken, which just sucks because it's starting to smell a little bit weird. And yeah, the only way to get this radio to turn off is actually by taking the battery out. If you guys know about GMC Acadias, that they have their battery right there under the carpet, which is like, yeah, I don't know, but If I punch it, still the sound is there. Man, always something. Alrighty, so there you guys have it. We will be finding out what's actually happened to the GMC Acadia here shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous video, you know, talking about my fireplace that we're building in the back. A lot of people don't get why we're still building a fireplace on the back. You know, winter is coming. You know, it's just mainly for the look. You guys will see here shortly when you know, when the fireplace is so done. I mean, what the heck? Let's take a look at it now. There it is. You cannot really tell how it looks. Well, you guys saw it on the previous video, but you know, we did something, you know, just, I'll keep you alert. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're stopping for the first time and you haven't already and you feel like you kind of want to, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.